Hello students, I am teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. Welcome to my channel, My Maths Teacher. Today in this video lecture, we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.4 of the chapter differentiation. In this exercise, we are going to study the derivatives of implicit functions. So first let us see what do you mean by implicit functions. So there are mainly two types of functions, explicit and implicit functions. What do you mean by explicit function? See, if the variable y can be expressed as a function of some other variable, say x, then we call that function as explicit function. See the example here. Y is equal to 7x square plus 5x plus 10. Now you can see that variable y is expressed in terms of variable x alone. Isn't it? There is no other variable in this. So such a function, when you can express it in terms of some other variable alone, is called as explicit function. Now sometimes it is not possible to express the given variable as a function of some other variable alone. Like for example, y as a function of x or x as a function of y alone. Then such functions are called as implicit functions. For example, x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. Now see in this you can see there are both the variables x and y which cannot be separated easily. So such functions are called as implicit function. Now let us see how to derive these implicit functions. Let's start with exercise 3.4 directly. So the first question of exercise 3.4, find dy by dx if root x plus root y is equal to root a. Now over here x and y are the variables and a is a constant. Clear? So let us differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. The derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Hope you know this rule. Plus derivative of root y will be 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx. Don't ever forget to add this term to dy by dx to your derivative. Whenever you are deriving y with respect to x, you have to write this dy by dx term is equal to, now derivative of root a we have to find. Now as I said, a is a constant, root a also constant. That means derivative of root a will be equal to 0. Which rule we are using here? D dx of k is equal to 0, where k is a constant. So over here your root a is a constant, so the derivative is 0. Now we will take this 1 upon 2 root x on RHS. So therefore 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 upon 2 root x. Have you understood? This 1 upon 2 root x is for addition. So when you take it on RHS, it will become negative. And now we have to find dy by dx. So we will take this 1 upon 2 root y also on RHS. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of 2 root x into this 1 upon 2 root y will become 2 root y on RHS. So we can cut this 2 and you get dy by dx is equal to minus of root y upon x. This is your final answer. Clear? Let's start with the second one. x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y is equal to 0. So differentiating with respect to x. The derivative of x cube will be 3x square, correct? We are using this formula, d dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Over here n is equal to 3. So derivative of x cube you get 3x square plus again derivative of y cube will be 3y square into dy by dx plus 4 into. Now see, we have to derive x cube into y. Now there are two terms. So you have to use the formula of d dx of u into v. That is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So it is x cube into d dx of y plus y into d dx of x cube is equal to. Now again derivative of 0 will be 0. So let us simplify. Therefore 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx plus 4, we will multiply by 4 to each term inside the bracket. So 4x cube into dy by dx plus 4y into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square, is equal to 0. So you get, now what we have to do is we have to find dy by dx. So these two terms which are having dy by dx in common will put in one bracket, and the other two terms which are not having dy by dx will put in another bracket. So we'll get 3y square plus 4x cube into dy by dx plus 3x square plus, here you will get 4 into 3, 12x square y is equal to 0. Now we have to find dy by dx. So let us first take 3x square plus 12x square y on RHS. So 3y square plus 4x cube into dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 12x square y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 12x square y upon, correct? This 3y square plus 4x cube will go for division on RHS. So you get 3y square plus 4x cube in the denominator. Understood? So this is your final answer. Let's move to the next sum. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. So let us differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So the derivative of x cube will be 3x square plus, now derivative of x square into y, there are two terms, the product of two terms this is. So we have to use the formula d dx of u into v. So we get x square into d dx of y plus y into d dx of x square, right? Plus, again third term is the product of two terms, x and y square. So again we'll use the formula of d dx of u into v. So you get x into d dx of y square plus y square into d dx of x plus, now derivative of y cube, that is 3y square into dy by dx is equal to, now what will be the derivative of number 81? It is going to be 0 because 81 is a constant and derivative of constant number is 0, we know that. So it is 0. So therefore let us simplify this, 3x square plus x square into derivative of y is 1 and then as usual we have to take that dy by dx term. So d dx of y you will get as dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square, that is 2x plus x into derivative of y square will be 2y into dy by dx plus y square into derivative of x, that is 1 plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we have to take all the terms having dy by dx in common in one single bracket. See these three terms, x square dy by dx, x into 2y into dy by dx and 3y square into dy by dx. All these three terms will put in one bracket. So you get x square plus 2xy plus 3y square into dy by dx plus into another bracket. Now these terms which are not having dy by dx term. So you get 3x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. So again now this we have to find dy by dx. So first we'll take 3x square plus 2xy plus y square on RHS. So you get x square plus 2xy plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square, and therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon, correct? This x square plus 2xy plus 3y square is for multiplication. So on RHS it will go for division. X square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So this is your final answer of third sum. So this completes your question number 1 of exercise 3.4. The next question we will be doing in the next video lectures. So students, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.